back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. What I want to simply say to you, we want to make a Jamaican chicken soup. Hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below, guys. Chicken soup is the, now I'm telling you, is the best. And most Jamaicans do love it. Remember, you can get a copy of my cookbook, Chef Ricardo Caribbean Cuisine, on Amazon, 50% off. Remember to leave your comments. Mother's Day in Jamaica. So there's a lot of stuff going on at the moment. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we want to show you how you can make yourself a nice and lovely chicken soup at home. Very quick and easy and simple. First thing what you need to do is to get pumpkin. This is a pumpkin right here, and I cut them up very small, as you can see. This is roughly 1 kilo of pumpkin. You need to have a lot of pumpkin to give it that lovely red chicken color soup. Second thing, I have 1 kilo of chicken. I cut it up into curry style. So these are the two main things you need to get ready and prepare first. Third thing is make sure you got a pot on the stove, water start to boil. Look at this now, guys. So I got the pumpkin ready and the chicken ready. Nice and lovely. So you can see the steam which is coming out of the pot to show you that the water is really ready for to make a chicken soup. Alright? Second thing, first, as I said, this is the third which the water start to boil. Then the fourth, put in the pumpkin like this, straight inside of the water. Next thing, your chicken. I wash out my chicken. That's one of the main things what you need to do, is make sure you wash your chicken first. So the pumpkin and the chicken inside. So we're gonna go to the third thing now. Alright? So in the meantime that's gonna boil, you can make a Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. There's a lot of video on my YouTube channel that can show you how to make Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. Alright? So we're gonna leave this to cook for roughly about 12 to 13 minutes in the meantime. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, all the water with the chicken start boil up, alright? But guys, I'm gonna start to put in the dumpling now because I just make some dumpling and I'm gonna start to add it in at the moment right now, like now. What I wanna simply say to you, there's a lot of video on the YouTube channel how to make Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. So basically I will show you, I will put the link below. So this is how I make my dumpling. I'll put them in the soup. Alright, like this. Bang. Yeah. Some round dumpling. Really nice. So I'm putting the dumpling now. So we put in the chicken. I will put in the only thing, to be honest, guys, now I'm gonna put a piece of breadfruit and a piece of yam, but it's a vegetable soup we're making at the moment. So as you can see, I'm putting the dumpling at the moment. Nice and lovely. So right here, the dumpling them finished now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some veg ready, like some carrot, potato, and some seasoning. Alright? So make that one boil for the next 5 more minutes. After 5 more minutes, then they're gonna be dumpling gonna be start cooking. Then we're gonna add some more veg. Alright, enjoy it, guys. Nice and lovely. Welcome back, guys. So right here I have some vegetable which we're gonna put inside of the chicken soup. Guys, a chicken vegetable soup, you know what I mean? I don't put a piece of yam in it, but I don't have any yam and breadfruit and everything there. So I'm just gonna make it very straightforward, very easy and simple. You can put yam and more stuff inside of your one what you're gonna make at home. Alright? Basically, chocho, carrot, potato, banana, this is green banana, plantain, this is the ripe plantain, thyme, and spring onion and scotch bonnet pepper. I have white onion and a piece of garlic. This is all the way the ripe plantain look. It is ripe. And all I have to do is just remove the skin and cut it up very small. Alright? This is green banana. This is the way a green banana look. Alright? Now we're gonna put all of these veg straight inside of the soup and make it cook also too. Alright? Nice and lovely. So as you can see how the water boil up, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. So we're gonna put all of it inside of it. So fresh thyme, spring onion, Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper. Don't make a pepper burst in the soup, it will be hot. Plantain, banana, chocho, carrot, potato, all of your favorite veg. Look at that, really nice, is it? Beautiful and nice. Nice little chicken soup, man. I tell you. Beautiful and really nice, as you can see it. Got your good Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper on top. Alright, now we're gonna put some white onion, which I just cut up very small. Half of white onion. This is the white onion. That's the last thing I put in the soup. Second thing, I'm gonna put cock soup. Cock soup, but it's chicken flavor, Caribbean flavor to chicken flavor soup. Give it a nice, lovely color. Put it in and give it a whisk. Lovely and nice. And it's pumpkin soup mix. So we're gonna use 2 flavor inside of it. The next one, and give it a whisk instantly because I don't want it to get lumped up inside of it. Nice and lovely. So we have the water that's inside of it. I'm gonna put in a little bit of chicken seasoning inside of it, because chicken soup, so you can put a little chicken seasoning in it, or chicken stock, whatever I don't know what you have at home. But as you can see, how the soup look already. No vegetable. You can put yam. I didn't have any yam, because kind of yam when the guy wanna send me, I didn't want it. You know, so I decided to allow that little bit of all-purpose season. Nice and lovely. Put a little bit more white onion inside of it. Then give it another stir. Taste it. Yes! This tastes nice! Cover it, give it another 15 minutes. Make it boil and get a little bit thick. There's a secret, guys, I'm going to share with you, see way. A lot of people don't do it, but I normally do this. Alright, this is Chef Ricardo cooking. You can pop a little bit of unsalted butter inside of the soup. So when the butter will give it a lovely flavor. Cover it, leave that for 15 minutes. Make it want to cook. You don't have to put butter in yours, but I might style it. Nice and lovely. So, at the moment, to be honest, guys, the soup has finished. I made this cook for roughly about 20 minutes now. As you can see, turn on the stove a little bit low. It was a little bit too high. But as you can see exactly how the soup look. Lovely and nice. First of all, we need to remove the bad boy because we don't want this burst into the pot and mess up the whole thing. Soup put a little bit redder, but you know sometimes it's the pumpkin in England. Well, I don't know if the pumpkin is different, to be honest. But as you can see, whole heap of food and chicken and tea night. Looking lovely and nice. So hopefully you guys will just enjoy it. Leave your comments. chicken soup is for the weather. Weather like this in England when the weather cold. I have some soup like this. Alright. So enjoy it and see you next time. I'll share it out. Lovely and nice and simple. Easy to make. Less than 45 minutes.